Here's how you can do the slow motion on the iPhone. Let's get started and let me show you what you need to do to make it work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, it depends slightly on your camera and on your specific iPhone model, but most iPhones should most definitely open up the camera model, like the camera app, right, and just switch to the video mode and slide left to access the slow motion. Now you just have to capture the video and it's going to be in the slow motion, so that's pretty self-explanatory. However, there are some more things you need to know about it. First of all, there is the FPS setting. So we have either the 120 FPS or 240. The regular videos which you normally watch or capture are either 24 FPS or 30. And the slow motion effect basically begins or just works by capturing a lot more frames and then slowing it down to like 30 FPS. Okay, but once you have the video captured in your gallery, you can open it up and click on the three dots or like the edit button to control the settings for it. Below the timeline, you can see visually indicated where the slow motion part begins and where the regular speed is, right? So you can adjust it right as you want. You can only make very small parts to be slowed down or only where specifically you want it to happen, or you can also just make it go completely together and make sure that the video is in regular speed. Or in at the top right, you also have the speed dial icon, and there you get to decide the speed for the whole clip. So that's how you can do it. That's how you can control it on the iPhone. I really hope that I can help you out and explain it to you. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.